What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Ads and Deals, where we have all the ads, all the deals, and all the thrills that comes from saving you money. So today we're going to take a look at Best Buy July 25th to August 2nd. Before we get started, hit that notification bell, make sure you're subscribed, and then leave a comment down below. And of course, please share this with somebody who you know needs great ads and deals and thrills from saving money. So let's go ahead and get started. So with Best Buy, of course, we're always greeted by a TV. This one is not the sweet, beautiful TVs that we always see. However, right here we see the top of the line Bravia XR OLED for $19.99. That's, almost about half off. A little less than half off, but it's still a great TV, great deal, 65-inch. Well, it's a great deal if you're willing to spend that extra bucks, because at least you don't have to spend $2,500 for it. Let's keep it going here. And of course, we're in the section where this is just like some of the main items that are for sale, but we'll find greater things when we go in a little closer. So we see they have the Ninja Professional Plus Blender Duo, so you get a couple of cups here. This one is going to be $119.99. It also has those extra blades inside. Ninja's a great product. Let's go on and see what else we have. Bose Quiet Comfort Earbuds, True Wireless Noise Canceling, $199. Then they also have the Google Nest Audio Smart Speaker. I love Google's smart speakers. I have the smaller version, but this is a great purchase right here. $59.99, so that's a good sale as well. All right, let's see what they have in TVs. Right away, this one is catching my eye. 75-inch Hisense UHD 4K Google TV, which is where it wins me, other than the quality and the size. 75 inch, this is amazing. It's only $619 for a 75-inch TV. This one, honestly, you can't beat it. This might be the best deal we see in the entire ad. Let's keep this thing going. LG Nano Cell 50-inch for $549. Then, if you see something that you like, you can pause the TV, let me just start over. And of course, if you see something you like, you're more than welcome to pause the video and capture that. I'm not going to go over everything. I know that Insignia has some lower prices, and so does Toshiba, but when you see a low price LG or a 75-inch from the Hisense, then you got to call it out. So here we go with some different TVs that they do have available. Insignia is always going to be nice and low as well, but it's not that Hisense, my goodness. All right, so Samsung here we see 55-inch for $399.99. It is a 4K. I think just about all the TVs now are going to be 4K. So, you're not going to miss out on the 4K quality, but just because the TV is 4K doesn't mean that it's, going to be as crystal clear as some of the top of the line models, because then you have to think about brightness and what the contrast is, and just things like that could cause the TV to look even better or a little worse. All right, so LG 65-inch Class C1 series for $15.99. Then we also have a couple of Samsung TVs here, 65-inch for $529. Okay. Then top of the line Neo QLED Samsung 85-inch QN90A, $25.99. If you wanna ball and you wanna splurge, this is the TV you want to get right here. So let's keep this thing rolling and see what else we have available. All right, moving out of the TVs, going into movies and music. We see here they have a couple of different things. The Batman's still out there. Never seen this, or and then I don't watch The Boys. It's a bit much for me. All right, let's keep this thing going. I'm just gonna scroll through. You can see what movies that you might be interested in. Pandora's still around. Elysium, actually one of my favorite movies. I know people say it's a trash movie, but it's actually one of my favorite movies. Like, I actually like it. I think because at the end it kind of makes me think of Jesus, because he dies in it for everybody else to live. So, you know, let's keep it going though. All right, Tidal. Who uses Tidal and, you know, hi-fi? How is hi-fi music anyway? Somebody comment in the comment section down below. Tell me what's the difference with hi-fi versus just your regular music. All right, now we're getting into some small appliances here. We see the air conditioners and portable air conditioner. So $349.99 for a portable air conditioner if you're in need of one. And then of course the window air units are right there as well. The Bella Pro Series 4.2 quart air fryer, $39.99. Then they also have the Dyson V8 cordless vacuum. So Dyson is, of course, you know, that's going to be the top of the line for vacuums. Well, there's a lot of great vacuums, let me put it that way, but Dyson is one of the best ones for $349.99. But of course, you know, I say I like Wise, so it's a lot cheaper. So you should check out Wise brand, WYZE. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys want me to, you know, show you around the Wise page one day. Maybe I can do that to kind of show you, you know, the good prices that they have available for all their electronics. All right, let's keep this thing going down here. So still some stuff that we've been seeing every week. $229.99 for a mini fridge, 4.3 cubic feet. Then they also have a dehumidifier for $159.99. Let's see what else we have available. Some more air conditioners and portable air conditioners. Nothing too crazy or anything like that. Dehumidifier, so if you do need one for the basement, then this is a really good one right here. $297.99 for all my Texas people, especially in Houston. Don't worry about this dehumidifier for the basement because you can't have one. All right, let's keep it going here. Honeywell Home Quiet Set Tower Fan, $49.99. Remember, Best Buy sells more than electronics. The Bella Pro Series 14-piece for $99.99. You get different cookware set. Then you can also get a little mini fridge with a top freezer, which is really good, for $189.99. That's Insignia. Then let's keep this thing rolling. Headphones. So no price difference here. This looks like some standard pricing for the AirPods for $179.99 for the AirPods Pro, $99.99 for the second gen, and then $169 for the third gen. So honestly, instead of getting third gen, just get, you know, spend that extra $10 and get the Pro. I think that's what they're doing anyway. That's what they want most people to do. So here's some other headphones as well. I've never used the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. These I do have the Live, the one that they call the Beans. But let's keep this thing rolling. Here's that package again. You get the MagSafe charging case right here with this one. So $214.98 for these AirPods Pros. All right, let's see what else we have available. Some Ryan's World Bluetooth. And then, you know, $499.99 for the AirPods Max. These things do go on sale from time to time from what I've seen. So that's a good thing if you want to get that. Let's see, Sony Wireless in-ear headphones. These will be pretty good for like working out, you know, so if they do fall out, at least, you know, it'll catch on your shoulders, hopefully, and not fall the other way. All right, here we go. These are my babies right here. I love these things, man. Hey, don't knock these. They look funny, all right? The Samsung Galaxy Buds Live True Wireless earbuds, they look funny. But man, oh man, I love these things. First of all, they don't have they're not gonna noise cancel. There's like barely any noise canceling there at all. It's non-existent. But just the way they sit in your ear is way more comfortable than any of the other things. And for me personally, like this kind of tips, they don't go all the way in my ear. So it always pushes and falls out. But these guys, they don't fall out. So I love them. I love you guys. $99.99. It's a pretty decent price for those. Although, I mean, I would honestly, you could probably try to get these refurbished and be fine. I think, you know, make sure they're clean. All right. So what else do we have available here? Computers and tablets. MacBook Pro 13.3 inch, the M1 chip, $999. So it's not a bad price. It's very competitive. They have the MacBook Pro 14 inch M1 chip for $1,700. So that's not bad either. It's a decent price. The new M2 chips, I think, are, you know, they're up there. They are definitely up there. But you know, if you don't do a lot of heavy, crazy stuff on it, on your MacBooks, then honestly, the M1 is just fine. Here's a Chromebook for $279. So if you do need a Chromebook for the starting year, then here you go right here. All right, let's see what else we have. We have the Microsoft Surface Pro 7 Plus. So I think the Microsoft Surface Pros have gotten a lot better from, you know, their early days. So it's not a bad item to have, the Surface. You know, don't try to game on it too much now. All right, then we also have the HP 15.6 inch laptop. This is a AMD Ryzen 5. Don't think that it's the top of the line stuff, but $499.99 for that. If you do need an external hard drive, then $61.99. It was $109 for this Easy Store 2 terabyte. So it's gonna store a lot of stuff on there. 2 terabytes is huge, so that's really good. Let's keep this thing rolling here and see what else we have available. Nothing too crazy. They do have a gaming laptop available though for $12.99. It's the Asus Rog Streaks G15. So if you are a gamer and you want a little, you know, spruce up your mobile gaming, then you can not cell phone mobile, but just portable gaming, then you can go with this Asus ROG Strix G15. All right. Surge protector. This is a very nice surge protector. It comes with some USBs, lots of plugs. This would be great for like an entertainment area, you know, where you're plugging in everything. I really like that. $32.99. It's not a bad price either. And you need a surge protector, especially when you buy that 75-inch Hisense TV. Then this surge protector is going to make sure that it doesn't blow out when your power goes out. All right, Asus 14-inch laptop. This is a very low-end model here, $229.99. All right, let's keep this thing going here. $189.99 if you need to upgrade your solid-state drive, 2 terabytes. So that's very nice. Okay, let's see what else we have available. Just some more laptops. Pause the video if at any moment you feel like you want to see a little closer. MacBook Pro 14-inch again for $1749. Of course, they do have a 4 terabyte internal SATA hard drive for desktops. So that's really, really good. $69.99 for that. It's not the solid state, but it is pretty good. That's not bad at all. 4 terabytes. Okay, now lastly, we're gonna get into some of the smart home security cameras. We're gonna fly through this, all right? Because I mean, you know, it's just your standard stuff, doorbells. Most of these things have come down pretty good as well, so you can find it for really good prices. And they also have the smart home hubs, $54.99 for the Nest Hub 7-inch smart display, and then $64.99 for the Amazon Echo Show 8. That one's gonna have a camera, and the Nest Hub with the camera is gonna be $169.99. And you can pause it at any moment you see something you like. Floodlight Kit, let's see, Blink Outdoor add-on camera, solar power. Of course, I love me some nano leaf shapes here, which so they do have that available. You just attach it and any kind of shape and pattern you want, and then it'll light up whatever you choose it to light up as. So it's really cool stuff. All right, that wraps it up. So everybody knows my favorite by this point. The Hisense 75-inch TV is hands down the winner of this showing of Best Buy's ad today. That is a very nice deal. Let me know in the comment section down below what deals you really liked. And besides that, as always, you have a good day.